Okay. So now I am going with one more concept. Collection concept is what set, right? The set also same story, nothing to me. And even set also having a two methods. That is all. That those methods also can use for mathematical operations. We'll see one by one. Okay, my friend. Observe here. In our last session, we completed list and tuples. List can represent with square bracket and tuple can represent with parentheses, right? And again, I'm repeating, a list can allows same type of data elements and different type of data elements, means homogeneous and heterogeneous data elements. Tuple also same thing, they can accept heterogeneous and homogeneous. But memory management wise, list is a little bit of difficult. So list can use most of the cases. Our frequent operation is insertion deletion, then go with what list concept. The next one, tuple. Tuple also can hold homogeneous, heterogeneous, but insertion deletion is not possible. Without insertion deletion, suppose if our frequent operation is searching and sorting, in that case, we can go with tuple because of there is no memory change, means there is no place changes there because we are not going to inserting new element, we are not going to adding the new element, right? Removing existing element. So that with fixed element, if you want to perform searching sorting operation, then go with what? Then go with what? Tuple elements. Tuples. Okay. The next I'm talking with Python set. Python set set. Set what will do. Sir, it is a complete different. Set also can allows homogeneous and heterogeneous data element. Homogeneous and heterogeneous data elements. But set can allows only unique values. Means duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed, guys. Means if you try to insert the same element in our set, it won't accept. It won't accept. And insertion order is not preserved. Means here position is not same. Every time position will be changed. So position change means what? Set won't support indexing and slicing. We can access set element using for loops. Using for loop. And again, here I am coming one point, sir. Insertion order is not preserved. Means suppose S is equal to set can declare with curly braces. Here I give 1, comma 2, comma 3. Like this, I given the value. So suppose if you print yes first time, it can print value 1, comma 3, comma 2. Suppose if you print second time, means it can print 3, comma 2, comma 1 or 2, comma 1, comma 3. So understand when I am going to inserting, 1 is first position, 2 is second position, third is third position, right? But when I am going to printing, our values position is going to change so that set won't support the indexing and slicing concept. The next one, we can access set element using for loop only. The next one, we can create set object similar and dissimilar, means homogeneous and heterogeneous data elements also. We can apply mathematical operation like union, intersection. Okay, differences. Okay, these are the methods we can apply, sir. Right? These are the methods we can apply with set. The next, how to create the set. Set can create with curly braces. Curly braces. Slowly I am coming down. you will get more clarity. Suppose value is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Again here I given 1. So if try to insert the same value again, it can repeat only once. And this is what all are same type of data element, group of integers. And here I given group of floating value, floating point value. And we can insert a heterogeneous also, like 10 Kavya, 10,000 Hyderabad, like this also like this also I inserted. So this is what declaration. And not only static type, we can declare with dynamic type also. Again by using eval function, already eval function, and creating with the range function also. Again story is same my friends. Set a range of this value. Just use the set function to converting our sequence of number into set object. Set a object. I will show you now. The next creating with a list and tuples. What happened? Just create the list object and convert it to set. Create tuple object, convert into set. So in that way also we can get it. But one thing observe here, list and tuple both are can hold same type of data element, right? Here, if you try to insert same type of data element, it can repeat only once. After converting set, it can repeat only once because of set can won't allow the duplicate values. Best example, what situation I can go, sir? Simple thing, if you want to store mobile number, student hall ticket number, bank account number, Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, are the simple real world examples are theater settings. Theater settings are best approach. There, their data can be arranged in a ascending order and descending order with the unique values. Bus seats, train seats, these are the best example for our set element, right? This is what creating, and we can create the eval function also. Already we know creation. The next one, accessing set element. Guys, we can access with for loop only. For loop only. But here, indexing slicing is not applicable. Okay, indexing slicing won't support because the position always change, my friends. Okay, now I will show up to here. One by one, you will get more clarity with one example. I'm coming with one example, how many ways we can create, how to create our setup. Okay, now coming, suppose S1 is equal to like this. I given 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50, like this I give, right? And if you want to know type of S1, type of S1, after type of S1, just here I given S1 object also, like this I give. Now I am going to do Python. Okay, code 1.py. Just run this application. Guys, understand. See, actually my order is what? 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. But while I am going to print 50, 20, 40, 10, 30 is changed. So order is not fixed. Now one more thing, suppose here I am going to insert it 10 is 2 times and 20 is 2 times. Up here, if try to insert same value again, it can repeat only once. Means duplicate won't allow. Understand? Duplicates are not allowed. That is what set. Type is set and data also is going to create it. This is what creating with static. The next one, creating with eval function already, right? Eval function means here we are creating the dynamic type. So E1 is equal to eval of input of just enter set value. enter a set value. So it will ask you, right? Slowly after asking, just we are going to printing the E1 value. Any value you can insert. Either you can give integer value, floating point, any value you can print it. And now curly brace, here I given, okay, Raj, and Tony, next Sai. Okay, like this, I given the string type of data element. Now it is going to print it. Look, sir, Raj first value, Tony second, Sai third value. But when I'm going to printing, Tony first, order is going to changing, right? Order is not same. This is eval function. Now I am going to creating with a range function, sir. Then how we can create range? Suppose R is equal to, okay, just range is equal to, okay, SR is equal to, and set of, then use a range of 10 value is started, 20 value is started, my step size is 2 I given. And after that, I'm going to printing SR value. We created with range function, control, yes. Now try to run this code. Now it is going to print. No, these are the values. Now it is going to ask our output. The next, after this one, we can create with list and set also. List and tuple. Sorry, tuple also means create object list object. LST is equal to, this is the list, 120, 300, 400, again 120, 120, 800. Okay, now 500 like this. Tuple tup is equal to like this, right? 100 value, 200 value, 300 value, 400 value, 500 like this again. Now I am going to converting into set. So what happened? Print set of, then do the LST. Again, print okay, set of, give the TUP. Control, yes, guys. Then we can print it, right? Okay, here control C. Again, I am running the code. Now it is going to create it, right? Tuple. Here I am giving the value. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 like this. This is what our creation, right? Please, this is what our creation, sir. Okay, after created, now I am going with one more concept. Then how we can access the tuple elements. Then how we can access the tuple object, right? Let us see that concept. Now, so this is what creation ways, guys. No, I'll send you the notes. Don't worry about it. Okay, I hope you understand up to here. Need your response, man. Guys, need your response. Say yes or no in chat box, please. Lakshmi, Karthik, Radha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, guys. Now I'm going to creating how to access, guys. How to access. How to access. Slowly we'll go with the accessing way. So remember this one. The next, now I am creating one names object. Names is equal to, here I given. Okay, Shivani. Next, Murali. Next, okay, Rupa. next Radha, next Priya. Like this, I given some name. Then how we can access? Guys, first I am going to showing with indexing, but indexing won't support. Okay, indexing everything. What kind of error you get, just you can see here. I given the index. So if you use indexing, definitely it won't support my those. What happened? Type error. Set object is no subscriptable. Subscriptable. Even you can use slicing, sir. It won't support actually. Won't support. It won't support, guys. Same error we are getting. Type error. Set object is not subscriptable. So that don't use indexing and set. But how we can act? For loop is best set. For okay, name in names. Names is a collection. From collection, we are going to iterating one by one, sir. Name. Okay, just run this code. Now it is going to print. But order is not same. Order always change, sir. Fix your brain. Okay. Okay, when you are going to accessing the data it won't come in same order. Clear? So this is what our accessing, guys. Okay, after and here you can apply your if condition also. Means starts with the ends with the okay, like this you can use any thing you can apply here, you can access, right? Now I am going with one more concept. Set functions. Set functions. The first function is add a function. Add. The second one is update function, sir. Both are, here set is nothing but a, mutable object. Okay, mutable. We can add and remove also. No, add and update. The next method is copy. We are copying object one object another object and pop. Remove the element randomly, not in sequencer. Then remove also removing element with the element name. The next one discard and clear. Only 7 methods we have. Now we'll see one by one. Practically we'll get more clarity. Later we'll go with this mathematical operation. Okay. Then I am going with first add methods. Add method. Add next update. Add update are insertion methods. Insertion methods, guys. Now I am coming with that application. So after this one, after this one, okay, to the above object, slowly I am going to bring the functions up. Now names dot here I am add functions. Here I am going to adding my name. Okay, my name is what? Venkat. Right? Slowly I added this name. And after adding it, simply I am going to printing the name. With add, we can add only one element and once. Hence, that is what add function. Now, Python code one.py just, Venkat name is added. The next one will go with update. So in update, what I will do, I will take a, flower names. Flower names is equal to, here I take first one is lily. Okay. Next one is jasmine. The next one is rose. Next one is lotus. Like this, I given some names, right? And this collection now I am going to adding into names. So what happened? Names dot. Okay, update, and simply you can add this collection into another collection. Right? Flowers we are going to adding into the name. Print name control yes. If everything is okay, data is print. Jasmine, lily, lotus added into our name collection. our name collection. So, and here add and update both function are using for insertion purpose. Insertion purpose, right? The next one, the next one after adding is completed. Slowly we'll go with the removal function. Removal function. Okay. Before removal, we'll go with copy, sir. Copy means what? Just we are going to copying our existing object, new objects. Sir. Look here. So new set is equal to names dot copy. See what I did here. Names is nothing but my collection. From names, I copied all the element and saving into new set objects. Sir. Now our collections are available in a names and a new set also. Just I am going to printing sir. Print a new set, guys. Look here. Which are elements in names? Again, in a new set also. Look here. Just I am running it. Working up. This is what names. And after copied in new set, like this we are going to print it. Right? This is what we call sir, just copy method. And after copy, later we'll go with a removal method. Removal method, sir. Here we have a three, right? Remove, pop, and discard. Discard. The first I am going with the remove, sir. Okay. So when you do remove, what happened? Names dot use the remove method, and this time here give the element name, sir. Element name. Now I am going to removing lotus. Removing lotus tags. Then later print names tags. After removing lotus, I am going to printing now. Look here. Observe here. Lotus is removed. Lotus is removed. Right? The next I am going with pop. So when you use pop, names dot pop. Randomly it can remove, sir. It is not fixed. Okay, any one of can remove. Okay, after removing this one, again I am going to printing the names value. This is also a removal method. Which one is removed? Observe there. Okay, I think Jashmina, Murali, Shivani, Priya. Lily is removed, sir, right? Lily is removed. Lily is removed. The next, I'm going with the discard. Observe here, difference between discard and remove. Guys, suppose when you use remove, if object is existed, object means value is existed, the value is removed. Suppose object is not existed, automatically remove will give the error message. But discard also do same thing. It is also can delete the element, but if element is not there, it won't give any error message. Element is existed, element will be removed, guys. Now understand names dot. Just I am going with discard. Guys, understand? Already we removed the lotus, right? Right? Even you use again lotus, it won't give any error message, guys. Just stamp printing. Already removed with discard. But the same lotus again, if you use with remove, you will get the error message. Understand? We are not getting any error here, but still we are printing. But after deleted, understand, after deleted, okay, if you try to do this one side, understand, definitely it will give the error message. Understand? Key error, lotus is not this. So understand difference between remove and discard. Both are doing remove the element. Remove what will do if element is existed, it can be removed happily. If element is not there, it will give the error message. Discard. If element is exist, remove it. Not existed, it won't remove. That is the difference between here remove and discard. Now finally, here we have a three methods of removal. First one is remove, pop and discard. The next one I think clear, right? Clear means what? Everything will be clear. Names dot clear method. And after clear, I am going to printing names, right? Empty set will be displayed. Empty set is displayed. So these are the methods we can use along with the set objects. Guys, up to here, clear? Need your response, friends? Sir, are you there? Are you following me? Yes or no? Your response is very, very important.
Yes, sir.
The next, sometime we can use min max also. Let me check here. Suppose no, yes, 2 is equal to like this 100 value, 200 value, 300 value, 9, okay, 9 again, something 3, like this. And here I am going to print min of yes. What happened? We can see. Then print okay, max of yes to and the print okay, sum of yes to like this we are going to we'll check. So even this one also is going to print it. These are the aggregation function min max. And let me check, is there average function? Average? No, no average function, right? So this is what min max min value with set object type. The last in set, mathematical operator like union. Union, guys, combine two objects as a single object without duplicate. Intersection, display the common values, differences, and symmetric differences, right? We'll see that examples directly. Okay, please understand. So, this is nothing but a small example. Just directly I'm copy and pasting. Already, you guys are mathematical students and BTech students. Please understand. Okay, here I given the example. Guys, understand carefully. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In S1, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 1, 3 I given. Suppose if you go with yes dot union of yes, then what happened? Okay, from this set and this set, unique values is printed. Means it can print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. This already is came, so not it repeated. Right? And this is also union, sir. R symbol is a union. The next one, intersection. S dot intersection of S1. Or you can use yes and S1, sir. What happened? Common values. Which are common, sir, here? I think 1 and 3 are common values printed. Control, yes. Just I'm going to showing you just two operations, sir. Just taken two operations. Look here. Now, in first case, this one is printed. In second case, 1 and 2 is printed. And difference is, sir. Difference element means what? Okay, which are not common. Which are not common. Which are not common, sir, here? Here which are printing 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Right? In first element, which are not matching with second one. Means here 1 and 2 already came. So that remaining values are going to print it. Difference element. S1 dot difference of S1. S1 or S minus S1. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference, sir. Okay, which are not common. Remaining all are going to print it. You know, two, three common, right? Remaining all are going to print it, sir. So these are the methods given inside the set object. So when you suppose you guys are going to performing operation with a mathematical operator, sir. In that case, you guys are go with this method. These are the set story, guys. Okay, please. Now here I am sending the note and try to practice. Set comprehension, same nothing. The process of, the process of, okay, creating new set object with existing set element. That is known as set comprehension, guys. Set comprehension, right? Already we saw same concept in list comprehension, but here we are going doing with set and membership operator. Sir, here, okay, membership. Once we'll see membership also. What we'll do here? Sir, nothing to worry, sir. Membership. As suppose I'm going with. We'll go with numbers, sir. Why worry? Just I'm removing this one, guys. What will do membership of print? One in yes. Tell me, is it right or wrong, sir? Here, one value in S object. Is it right or wrong? Does it exist or not?
Yes, sir, it is exist.
Then it can return what? True. Just check it whether the element is exist or not. Print. Okay, suppose 12 in yes. Is 12 exist?
No, sir.
No. Then what happens? False. Okay, print 5 not in yes, sir.
No,
5
sir.
value not in F. What happened?
No, sir, it's
Then
false.
control. Yes. Right? Like this printed. So if you want to check either true or false value, then go with what? This one. I hope you understand. These are the membership operator. Okay. And similarly, some few problems I gave, sir. You remove duplicate data cleaning. Okay, some problem statements I given. Please try to go with this example. Okay, suppose hotel booking reservation system application. Manage room booking efficiently, ensuring that. Okay, no double booking, easy checking availability, quick cancellation. Means create small application with this requirement. Okay, here I given some example, real world example with a hotel booking system with sets. In the same way, tomorrow we can write a ticket, theater ticket book reservation. Like this, we are going to create it. This is the story about our complete set. And tomorrow onwards, we'll go with maps.